Do you still love the earth when it's not the same no more?
Like a rotten apple, we'll still eat it.
Are you coming to the tree? They strung up a man, they say we're free. Strange things did happen here, but stranger would it be if we met at midnight in the hanging tree?
Do you still love the earth when it's not the same no more?
Are you coming to the tree? The dead man called out for his love to flee. Strange things did happen here, stranger would it be if we met at midnight in the hanging tree. Are you coming to the tree where I told you to run so we'd both be free? Strange things did happen here, no stranger would it be if we met.
For all we know,
know,
the earth is not what it seems.
Are you coming to the tree for a necklace of hope side by side with me? Strange things did happen here, no stranger would it be if we met at midnight in the hanging tree. Are you coming to the tree where I told you to run so we'd both be free? Strange things did happen here, no stranger would it be if we met at midnight in the hanging tree. Are you coming to the tree? They strung up a man, they say we were free. Strange things that happened here, no stranger would it be if we met at midnight in the hanging tree. Are you coming to the tree? And call out for his love to free. Strange things that happened here, no stranger would it be if we met at midnight in the hanging tree.
It's not what it seems at all.
look and point my view. All the things that I could be, I think I learned in therapy. Am I just a shadow you drew? It comes back to you. It comes back to you. All the things that you and lost upon the way to you. It comes back to you. It comes back.
Like an astronaut that's scared of heights, with a heart that's beating at the speed of light. You've been waiting for this feeling all your life. Sometimes it's just hard to realize.
Anong mangyayari?
Apa.
Eh, di ano, lagi nang magbabaha. Di ba?
Yay!
Tsaka darating ang panahon na ano, wala nang titira ng mga tao, puro na ano, tubig. Yun lang.
Thank you po. Improve our environment.
So, yung 3 R's nga natin is reduce, reuse, and recycle. So, sa reduce, since mas common na ginagamit natin plastic, dapat ma-reduce muna natin ang paggamit. Kasi yung plastic, matagal siyang ma-decompose. So, alternative na paraan is gumamit tayo ng mga bags. Yung mga nabibili na ngayon sa mga stores, bilang alternative na rin sa paggamit ng plastic. So, sa reuse naman, sa mga gamit na matagal na nakatambak sa bahay, imbis na itapon nyo na lang, pwede nyo pong magamit yun in, pwede pang ibang way. Halimbawa, meron kayong mga jaryo. Pwede nyo siyang gawing mosaic, galon, para naman, di ba, nakatulong ka na sa environment, nagkaroon pa ng usefulness yung mga bagay na nakatambak na sa bahay mo. Or pwede rin sa mga schools. Then sa recycle naman, mas maraming tayong may isip ngayon na pwede recycle, like jaryo, mga bote, mga na pwede makatulong sa atin magparami ng pera, syempre, kasi bibigyan natin sa junk shop. Tapos yung mga recyclable items din, pwede rin natin siyang maisali sa mga contest sa science, like yung binipiling kalikasan, pwede mo siyang gawing dress ng mga binipiling kalikasan. So, yung 3 R's, nagbibigay siya yung naging parang law na rin natin para sa mga basura natin.
Mangyayari sa susunod na generation kapag tapon na tapon
Kung patuloy tayo magtatapon ng mga basura.
siyempre yung siyempre kasabihan din, may kasabihan. Ngayon may kasabihan, the spirit is transferable. Ang isang generation hindi lang sa psychological, oo, pwede siyang matransfer. Pero pag physical, pwede rin siyang matransfer kasi halimbawa may sa community, yung mga pinagagagawa nila sa basuran, segregate nila lang maayos. Lalo yung mga magiging next generation, kung iisipin mo yung psychological at saka physical, magiging maayos yung pag-manage sa mga basurahan sa next generation. Magiging maayos. Tapos, kapag yung isang community naman, yung hindi maayos yung pag-manage ng mga solid waste o yung mga iba't ibang basura. Hindi maayos yung pag-manage ng solid waste. Hindi maayos yung pag-manage ng solid waste. logically. Logically, syempre, sa susunod na generation, hindi rin magiging magulo yung pag-function ng Philippines. Nakadepende ang pag-transfer ng spirit. Baka may pwede yung pag-transfer ng spirit sa nakadepende yung pag-transfer ng spirit sa kung ano yung nasa isip ng tao. Hindi yung nasa physical appearance. Yun.
Sir, how do, in what way do the 3 R's improve our environment?
I think there are the 3 R's or the 3 ways of improving our environment are said to be reduce, reuse, and recycle processes. Let's first define or let's first somehow get the idea from the reduce process. Reducing process is the process of somehow disintegrating the unnecessary waste or materials and maintaining or regaining the needed materials in use. Then the reusing process is the process of somehow reutilizing those materials that can somehow be useful in some ways or someone else. And recycling is the process of somehow finding ways of how we'll be able to find a means of how a material be useful in its nature. Just for example, is the plastic waste or the plastic bottles that we are up to drink everything. We recycle these plastic materials by simply finding some ways to use it in different but in useful.
Tell me something when the rain falls on my face. How do you quickly replace it with a golden summer smile? Tell me something when I'm feeling tired and afraid. How do you know just what to say to make everything alright? I don't think that you even realize the joy you make me feel when I'm inside your universe. You put me like I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other way around. You can thank your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one. Tell me something when I'm about to lose control. How do you patiently hold my hand and gently calm me down? Tell me something when you sing and when you laugh. What do I always find? I'm the one who's precious. I hate to break it to you, but it's just the other way around. You can thank your stars all you want, but I'll always be the lucky one.
Dito ka pupunta.
When the world is breaking down around you, raise a glass to everyone.